Do you teach IP people to speak AV? Do you teach AV people to speak IP? Or do you leave them all aside, bring some young people who don't distinguish? And the promise of video over Ethernet is they can add or find new ways to either get content or distribute content much lower cost, much more flexibly, much more quickly, right? But this introduces some market challenges because on the product side, if you move away from hardware, it gets more difficult to give an absolutely reliable, flawless, high fidelity signal from A to X, right? It's the nature of a software-based system that sometimes this can be challenging, right? But equally important is on the customer side, there's a requirement for two very different sets of expertise. AV expertise is usually one domain. IP expertise, it's a totally different domain, right? And finding people who can bring these two together, that is a big challenge, right? Do you teach IP people to speak AV? Do you teach AV people to speak IP? Or do you leave them all aside, bring some young people who don't distinguish, and for them it's just all the same? This is a classic market development challenge. I would say that it's not specifically unique to the China territory, right? It's something that happens for AV over IP in market segments worldwide. If you measure where's the progress, right? Different places are at different spots based on the level of investment and the length of time they have been experimenting and learning. But there is no question that the tipping point has been passed long ago, right? And the move is solidly into IP as a distribution medium. And the level of confidence in the kind of system that you can build is going up. And along the way, the kind of solution and the kind of products that are being brought to these customers and given to them as tools to work with are coming up in reliability, in feature set, and in fidelity, right? Which is, the cycle of improvement